To access your messages, first download the My T-Mobile app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. Once downloaded, open the app and log in using your T-Mobile account credentials. In the app, go to the Messages or Talk and Text section to view your communications. The app will prompt you to grant permissions for notifications and access to your contacts. Allow these for full functionality. You'll see a threaded view of all SMS, MMS, and RCS messages linked to your T-Mobile number. Tap a conversation to view details like sender information, delivery status, and attachments. Messages load automatically. Keep in mind that the app displays messages handled by T-Mobile's network. Messages from third-party apps like iMessage are not visible in the My T-Mobile app. In the My T-Mobile app, you can view SMS and MMS messages as well as RCS messages. This includes text, photos, videos, voice notes, and links. For RCS messages, you'll see enhanced features like read receipts, which show when your message has been read, and typing indicators that let you know when someone is composing a reply. Messages are retained on T-Mobile's servers for about 90 days for app access, but they're not stored indefinitely. The app requires an active data or Wi-Fi connection for real-time syncing, with up to 7 days of cached messages available offline. Visibility is affected by factors like blocked numbers, which hide their messages, and the use of third-party messaging apps outside of T-Mobile's RCS framework. To get the full messaging experience, ensure RCS is enabled in the app settings under Messaging, then Chat features.